All right, let's now take a look at the PIMA Indian diabetes case with support vector machine. So what I'll do is I go to my uh, Google Drive and I look for the K nearest neighbors PIMA Indian. So this is the file we need. We're gonna use this one as the base. So let's make a copy of it. And let's open the file. So we're gonna be able to reuse a lot of the stuff. So let's rename the file to SVM PIMA Indians Diabetes coding session 5. Okay, now we have a lot of stuff here. Let's see, we may have to remount Google Drive. So let's just run. No, Drive is already mounted, so that helps. This is all pre-processing. Remember, we had an issue with the 0 value here. Skin thickness cannot be 0, so it's a missing value, and replace this with the median. So here it is. Here's this code to do this. We did all this last time. So here, train test split. Again, you do the same thing. 20% test data. Standard scaler. Yes, I would especially use a scaler because there is an element of distance in SVM. So let's keep going down. So I'll do like this. Okay, here you have the K nearest neighbor. I delete that cell. And continue. This one we don't need either. Case 24 we don't need. Here the same. K nearest neighbors we don't need. Okay, and here we have the confusion matrix. So in this we will change. We are ready to use support vector machines. Okay. What's that? No, let's delete this. Okay, and now we're gonna open a code line. We're gonna go to our breast cancer exercise and just gonna copy some of the stuff. So we don't need to do the split, but we need to do this the import here. So let's add that. Here we are. So I run the import. So let's see what else we have here. Okay, this is the parameter grid, which we will copy. Copy. Here we go. And we put this code here. And paste. So that's the parameter grid that will be used as an argument for our grid search. Yep, here we have grid search we're gonna run now. So I'm gonna copy it and paste. Breast cancer, PIMA Indians. So code here and paste. And here we are. So we can start running this because this might, oh, X train is not defined. X train is not defined. So let's, usually what I do is I run all the cells to make sure that all the parameters are defined. So let's go back below. Here we go. So you see now it's doing all the calculations, and this again can take some time.